Hi, I'm Nirvana.
Hi, I'm Churaig.
And we're
the
from
School of Better Sex.
So we've got a workshop coming up in 2 weeks' time on the 2nd of March. And we've got a few topics that we want to cover.
Yeah. Well, our workshop's all about getting what you want. So we thought we'd unpack that just a little bit.
So we've got 5 topics that we're going to cover. Boundaries, consent, touch, voice and curiosity.
Yeah, and we're going to explore each of them independently and then bring them all together, and each one is going to have its own momentum, its own joyful little journey.
Yeah, lots of activities that are going to be embodied, but also really useful for you to be able to use in your life, interacting with your friends, with your partner, with anyone really. It's really going to be really useful for getting what you want in any kind of situation.
Yeah, not just so what was the first one? Consent and consent.
Boundaries and consent.
Boundaries and consent. Really important.
And how to actually articulate what it is that you don't want, and how to be able to say that in a way that's not punishing another person or putting anyone else down, but actually saying it in a way that allows room for people to accept what you have to say, and also hearing people say no to things that you ask.
Yeah.
The next one was touch.
Touch. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah. We all like, well, many of us like touch.
Yeah.
But it can be something that's really confusing for a lot of people in terms of why they touch, how to ask for touch, how they navigate that consent and permission, and how that can often change even in relationship to your partner. So it's a really important place to be learning how to check in and read situations, which will kind of navigate.
How I would like to be touched today might be completely different in an hour's time.
Voice.
Finding your voice. I do this thing when sometimes when I'm talking, if I want to ask for something or I want to say something that I really, really, really want, my voice drops. I see it just disappear. So
my voice can get really soft or a more higher tone when I'm asking for
yeah.
And so and so it's good to recognize these little habits that we have, but also how to sink into what feels authentic. And an authentic voice, and feeling what that is like to emerge when asking for what you want. And the last one is curiosity.
Yeah, to me, curiosity lies at the heart of all things to do with pleasure, embodiment, getting what we want out of life, and just living a good life. If we stay curious, then we're alive. It's when we lose curiosity that we kind of enter into a bit of a dead zone. So, yeah.
And also curiosity can take us out of those situations where we feel really disempowered, and rather than feeling like, feel a sensation and go into a habit around or a story around it, we can just get curious around it and go, feeling this like sensation in my body, and I want to explore where that came from, and how can I ask questions so that I can, remove those layers of stories that have been built up over years to continue to have pleasure, or to continue to have a really beautiful experience with the person that you're engaging with.
Getting what you want. It's on Saturday.
From 11 till 5, the 2nd of March, and it's going to be at the Stretch CBD Yoga Studio in Margaret Street. Check us out. Our link will be on this page or on this video to register and to book into the workshop. So look forward to seeing you there.
Yay.
Thank you. Bye.